Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Security blank screen in Windows 11. The first thing I want you to do is come here and hit search and just type in Windows Security. And then once you see Windows Security here under apps, right click on it and then click on app settings. Now here I want you to go ahead and scroll down under system until you see terminate. First click on terminate. This will terminate all the system components, all the related processes. And then what I want you to do is come here, click on repair. This will see if there's any system components that are not working. They'll try to repair it. And if still it's not working, okay, your Windows security, then you come here, click on reset, and the system components data, everything will be deleted. It will go ahead and do a whole reset. And after this, what I want you to do is check if it works. If it doesn't work, then you just come here, the bottom left, right click on your start icon, click on settings. And then from here on the left-hand panel, click on Windows Updates. And if there's any available updates, okay, make sure you do those. If there's any available updates for your computer, go ahead and click retry, download and install any updates that are available. Make sure this one is toggled on, nothing is paused, okay? That's what I need you to do. You can also come here, click on Advanced Options, and you can go ahead and download the optional updates as well. So if you come here, click on this, you'll see there are optional updates for your drivers. I want you to go ahead and download and install these. Choose them, right? Download and install these updates, okay? If you're still having issues, then you just come here, your start icon, right click, click on settings. Then on the left-hand panel, make sure you're under system. Scroll down until you see recovery. Go ahead and click on that. And then I want you to click on reset this PC. Click on that. Then you can choose to either keep your files, but it will remove all the apps and settings. Basically, your files will be there, but it will reset your PC to its default. Okay? Or if you want, you can remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. You can go ahead and proceed with this. That will fix your issue. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to Quick Fix.